Yo, what's up, everybody? So today I brought me the orange truck that I just got, and I think I got a name for it. Since it's orange, I'm thinking of calling it Vitamin C-10. Appreciate the hat. Thanks to Nando from Trucks and Coffee. If y'all never been there, it's every last Sunday of the month, usually at Bear Creek Park. If y'all never been there, y'all should definitely swing by. But today, I really want to put on the bow tie. I bought the bow tie for the truck. I want to change out the parking lamps. I got some LED ones that I want to put on there. I wasn't able to get these yet, but I did get the tail lights. The tail lights right here. The park lamps. And I want to remove that sticker, the Route 66 or Route 66. I'm going to remove this one and work on the engine bay a little bit. Hold up. Take off this tape. I know it's insulated, probably to keep the AC pretty cold, but I don't like how it looks. I wanted to remove this loom because I don't like how that looks either. So I want to take this loom off, clean the engine bay a little bit. I still need to buy these too. I want them black, and I think that's the theme I want to go for on the truck, on the interior too. Change these to black, do the seat black, do the visors black. I kind of want to eliminate this one and probably get this one going again. I kind of want like a little clean look, something just kind of plain and simple. And I really want to change out this roll pan because I don't like it. Alright, so the bow tie is going to be pretty straightforward. Come with these two little nuts on it. Take off these little rubbers on the back. Alright, so take off these two rubbers, and you see how it has a little slant. So the wider side goes down, and you basically just put it in like that. And right there, you're just gonna have to put the little nut and tighten it. So what I'm gonna do, so it's a little bit easier to put on, I'm gonna try to put these on outside, right? So I can like at least carve a little groove. Once I have that done, then I put the bow tie in and then tighten it up over here. Because then I'm gonna try to put this bolt, like let's say if I put this in the way it is now, then I'm gonna be trying to struggle over here, trying to like make a groove for it and whatnot. So I'd rather just try to do that out here, put the bow tie and then tighten it up. Alright, so put them on. You could use like a 10mm ratchet, but you just gotta make sure you don't over tighten them, because it's this plastic, you can break it. Big difference. Alright, so now let me move on to this here. This loom. at least I know with this pipe, with this installation, I mean my pipes didn't freeze over the winter storm we just had. Ya le quité la insulation, most of the loom. It looks a lot better.
This doesn't even look that bad.
No, I said no, because this is a pipe así.
¿Cuál es este es el que trae esa insulation, no? Ese tape?
Esta black one.
That one don't even look bad.
Oh no. Ahora quité también este. Una pasadilla ahí.
Keep it all up.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna take these off too. I need to go get some scissors and.
Okay.
Eso también. Yeah, because it looks pretty ugly already. Están todas sucias. I think the regular black ones look alright. Alright, so I'm done taking off this loom off this hose here, and off the radiator hose. I took that one off. I need to use some nicer tape on here, the Tessa tape, and secure these wires down there. But it looks a lot better now. Well, at least I think it looks a lot better. So I'm gonna try to do these right now. So this one just has 2 Phillips screws on here. The little bulb just comes off. Okay, so this one has an extra wire. I'm really not sure what it's for. Okay, so I figured out how to connect these. You have the white wire, which is your negative, the black one, which is your positive, and the red one, which is also a positive. The difference on that is, like, let's say if you have parking lamps, basically the black wire is for your parking lamps, and then your red wire is going to be for your turn signal ones. But on these trucks, it doesn't have like a park lamp that stays on and the turn signal kicks on at the same time. It just basically blinks. So I'm just going to connect the red one to it. I'm going to leave the black one alone, the white ones to the ground. Alright, so there you go. I wrapped it up already. Use Tessa tape. Make sure you put the grommet here. Alright, so that one's done. Let me turn it on. Thing is bright. I like it. Now I want to do the HIDs here. Then I want to change these out to LED. Too bad I don't have. I don't know what series it's talking about. Too bad I didn't have a chance to get these. Well, the guy I went to, it's an older guy. He's over there in Pasadena, and he said he was closing his shop down. He still had the orange ones. He didn't have the red ones. He had the LED tail lights, and he had the band. He had a couple of stuff, like a old school truck parts that he was trying to get rid of. He was trying to sell his shop. I might swing by again. You know what? He didn't have the bumper brackets or the bumper, so I don't even know I'm gonna go back because he said he wasn't gonna be getting any more things. Well, you know what? I didn't even see if he had the reverse for this and LED. Let me start on the taillights. Those shouldn't be that hard either. gonna go like this basically. 2 more screws here like the other ones. 1, 2. I think these clear lenses look pretty cool, but it's not the look that I want to go for. I want this truck to look kind of more like original, but with like a little bit of like a, what do you call something that's old but with like a newer look to it, like a
Modern.
like, yeah, like a more modern feel to it. I wonder that thing wasn't bright. Look at the little tiny bulb that it had. Oh yeah, a lot better. That one, compared to this, that's nice. Alright, both of them are done. Let me test them out. Yeah, looks good. Alright, so moving on down to this part now. I'm gonna use this heat gun, try to heat up the sticker. Been having this heat gun for a minute now. I think I paid like 20 bucks back in the day. I think I bought it at Sears. So yeah, Sears, they're already shut down. So I'm gonna just try to heat this up enough to where I can feel it. I just need to use some rubbing compound and try to get rid of this. Bam, just like that. Now, next one up is that one here. Route 66. I'm gonna be replacing it with this one. La vieja escuela. I'm debating if I should put it here or in the middle. I'll probably put it on this side. I'm gonna have to get a blade and try to get all that adhesive off. So I'm gonna just put it on this side. Hopefully don't come out crooked. That looks kind of straight. And the engine bay is done. I wired up what I taped up this with tested tape. Kind of hit it a little bit so you can't really see it. I'm thinking about changing out these spark plug wires. I really don't like how they look. I mean, the yellow really doesn't go with anything except with the battery. But I'd rather have those wires like red or black. This little tank here is not even connected to anything. Yeah, that both sides did a big difference. And you know what? Look at that headlight. That one's bright and this one's super dim. There it goes. Oh, it's just loose. But I'll change them out later on anyway. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps it up for today. I still need to buy more stuff for the truck that I want to get done to it. And thanks for watching everybody, and y'all be safe.